Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Are you ready to discover an incredible opportunity to effortlessly boost your passive income? Then, look no further as this video holds the key to just that. Chances are, you're already equipped with a smartphone or computer and have access to the internet or a data connection. And that's all it takes to embark on this exciting journey. And of course, an app or software to get you started. The link for this is conveniently provided in the description below. Your path to easy money begins now. Let me introduce you to Honeygain, which in my opinion is one of the best passive income apps loved by thousands globally. Honeygain is a mobile and computer application that allows you to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet and mobile data bandwidth. It operates on a principle known as data crowdsourcing, where individuals opt to share their internet connection with Honeygain's network in exchange for compensation. When you install the Honeygain application on your devices, it securely and anonymously shares your internet connection with Honeygain's network. This aggregated network data is then sold to various businesses, researchers, or clients who use it for market research, ad verification, SEO optimization, and other purposes. By participating, you can earn credits or monetary rewards based on the amount of data your connection contributes. Honeygain's app connection is inaccessible by outsiders and is fully encrypted, guaranteeing that private information is unreachable. Rest assured and make money without any security threats. Honeygain supports a variety of operating systems, both on computers and on smartphones. It supports Windows, Apple macOS, Docker, and various Linux distributions. You can also install Honeygain on mobile devices running Google Android, and on Apple iPhones running iOS. I have been using Honeygain on low-powered devices like Intel NUC, and it works very well, providing an excellent power-to-profit ratio. So, let's get you started on your passive income journey with Honeygain. To install Honeygain, you would need to first visit their official website by clicking the link provided in the video description. And, I should mention that the link contains a special $5 starting bonus to get you started. Isn't that great? You would need to then sign up by providing a few details like your email ID and password. You can also choose to sign up using your Google or Facebook accounts if you prefer that. You need to then download and install the Honeygain application on your computer or mobile device. As mentioned earlier, Honeygain is available for various platforms. Launch the application on your computer or on your smartphone. Sign in using the credentials you provided during the sign-up process. Configure the settings on the app to maximize your earnings. For example, be sure to switch on the CDN feature if and when it is available to you. You can also limit the amount of data Honeygain will use, if you want to install it on your mobile device that has a limited data plan. And then, start earning. You must be consistent and run Honeygain 24/7 initially, and share at least 5 GB of data to ensure you earn well. Honeygain takes a while to recognize and stabilize traffic through your IP and recognize your connection stability. So, if you stop sharing, you slow down your earning potential. Give it at least a few weeks before you start to see your earnings grow substantially. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. Remember to install Honeygain on multiple devices with different networks or IP addresses. The more the network and devices, the more you earn. Avoid having more than one device on the same network though. You can use the income estimator on their website to get a ballpark figure. So you must be wondering, did I get paid? Well, the answer is a resounding yes, yes, yes. And here is the payment proof to prove it. Feast your eyes. So, what are you waiting for? Click the join link in the description below to sign up and get your $5 starting bonus. Get started on your passive income journey today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more passive income videos. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video.